Can you show me your hair? I like your hair. Wow, so pretty. Oh, let's take a picture with your hair. Wait, just give me a few seconds and smile. You're so pretty. Excuse me. All right, how are you tonight, Maungok? How are you? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay, how are you tonight?
I good
Oh, you're good. Did you eat already?
already.
Did you eat? What did you eat? Can you tell me what did you eat?
Uh, I'm not eat.
Oh, you didn't eat yet. Oh, what's that? A popsicle stick or something? Is that a
Uh,
popsicle stick?
no,
Oh, what is that? Or for what? Or for what is that? Is that a
I don't.
pen?
Uh, huh?
That,
No,
what's that?
here, not pen.
Oh, that's not a
I
pen. Okay, so what is that? Oh,
don't
it's
know.
my camera. Okay, so now, Bangok, are you ready to start with our class?
So red.
So ready. Okay, just give me a few seconds. And teacher is sharing the screen. Alright.
Mhm.
So now, can you see our screen already?
Yes.
Okay, so now, Bangok, what you're going to do here is you need to read and check, then ask your partner. So ask me and check. Okay, so this will be your answer here. Then this will be mine. So now what you're going to do is you are going to, wait, you are going to answer here. Then I will be going to answer in this part, okay?
Okay.
You are just going to put a check mark if it's yes or no. Okay, so now can you read question number 1?
Do you like nature?
All right, do you like nature, Baungok? Yes or no?
What is
Uh,
nature? Nature.
okay. Oh, you have your book there. You want to answer your book first?
Yes, I like.
Okay, once you're done answering your book, please answer on the screen as well, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, oh.
Oh, what's that? Do you like nature? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Put a check mark in yes. Okay, and once you're done, can you please read second question?
Hello. Teacher,
Yes.
here you
I will
you
answer.
write.
Yes, I will answer this one later. Or do you
Huh?
want me to answer right now?
Yes.
Okay. So, yes. Okay, question number 2.
Can you blow a whistle? Yes.
Okay, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay, you can put a check mark in the yes part. Okay, how about question? Oh, where's the All right, here you go. Okay, next. Second question.
Do you live in a castle? No.
Hmm. All right, and now.
Do you like television?
All right, do you like television? Yes, of course. Okay, how about question number 5?
Are you helpful too?
Child.
Yes.
Are you a
Right.
helpful child? Yes. Okay, so we got here the answer, and most likely we have different answers. Okay, thank you so much, Baungok. So now let's proceed in our next page. So let's take a look. Oh, okay, let's take a look. All right, so now let's have the exercise D. Listen, read, and write. Okay, so Bongak teacher will be playing the audio, and I want you to listen to it very, very carefully and write your answer, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Page 82. D. Listen, read, and write. 1,
I can write my name.
Okay.
2,
The king lives in a castle.
Mm-hmm.
3,
I cut the fruit with my knife.
4,
That picture is beautiful.
Okay.
Page 82. D.
Chào mẹ.
Okay, you're done with your book, or do you want to listen again?
I'm done with my book.
Oh, you didn't read your book. So let's okay. So just let me know once you're done with your book so that we can write your answer here in our screen, okay? Just let me know if you want to listen to the audio again.
Yes.
If you have any questions, just let me know, okay? So that teacher can help you.
Okay.
Okay, so what's your answer on the number 1?
Number 4.
Oh, you're already on the number 4?
Yes.
Okay, once you're done with your book, please answer on the screen, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Wait, Mama. What? I done.
Okay?
Mm.
Okay, you're done with your book. And once you're done, you can already write in the screen. Okay, what number are you already?
I done.
Okay, you're done with your book, so please write it already on the screen.
Oh.
Okay? Okay, the king lived in a
castle.
castle.
I cut fruit with my oh.
I cut the fruit with
With my knife.
your, all right, with my knife. I cut the fruit with my knife. Okay, Bangak, let me ask you, what is your favorite fruit? Okay, what is your favorite fruit, Bangak?
Grapes.
Oh, grapes. I also like grapes.
Yes.
Okay, last number. That
Grape.
picture is.
That picture is beautiful.
All right, beautiful. Just like you. You are beautiful.
Mm.
Ah.
Mm. Teacher,
Yeah.
you like your friends?
What?
You like your friends?
Yes. You
Yes.
like this one,
I like my friends.
like this, like.
I like your friends.
Yes, I like my friends. How about you? Do you like them?
Yes.
Oh, you haven't finished this one yet.
Teacher.
Yes,
Sun,
baby.
sun, sun, me, sun, I and my friends is
Uh-huh.
is go to the
To
the beach.
oh, you went to the beach with your friends?
Yes.
Oh, you go swimming.
I swimming
You go to the beach with your friends. So
and
aside,
your child.
yeah, and my child. Yeah, we also go to the beach if we have time. But for now, we don't have time because they are still studying. So we don't have much more time. And also, sometimes I have classes. So that's why, yeah, that's why. Okay, so now, Valngok, please continue. Okay, beautiful. That picture is beautiful.
Oh.
Oh, all right. Thank you so much, Valngok, for completing the words. So now, can you please read number one? Number one
I
is
write my name. I can write my name.
okay. Number two,
The king lives in castle.
in the castle.
In
Okay,
the
number three, number
number
three.
number three. I cut fruit with my knife.
I cut the fruit. Okay, be careful with the words. So I cut the fruit with my knife. Okay, can you do it again?
cut fruit with my knife.
Okay, how about number 4?
That picture is beautiful.
All right, that picture is beautiful. Okay, thank you so much, Bangok. So now, good job on that part. So let's proceed with exercise letter. Okay, what's letter is this? Letter E. So
E.
what you're going to answer is you need to look, write, and match. So now we got here numbers.
I know.
Number, you know this one?
Yes.
Okay, and you can start now.
Yay.
Okay, you're going to write on your book first.
Yes.
Okay, once you're done with your book, please write at screen as well, okay? And let me know if what number you are already.
Yes. Four. Measure.
What number are you on the book?
1.
Okay, 1.
Measure.
Mm-hmm.
Measure. E. Measure. Measure.
Mm-hmm.
Measure.
Okay, you're done with number 1.
Mm. Teacher, I don't know measure.
Oh, you didn't know the word measure? You can find the words here. For example, 13 is letter M, then 5E.
Oh, here. Measure.
Okay,
Measure. Sorry, teacher.
it's okay, no problem.
Yes.
Oh. Mhm.
Measure. I don't know E.
I
I
don't
don't.
know.
I don't know. Look, and I don't. I don't know here.
Okay, what number? Oh, what's that?
I don't know.
Here. I have guided you already, and please take a look.
Look. 18. Tap 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 tap. Tap 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 tap
Okay,
tap
what
tap.
number are you already, baby?
2.
Oh,
Treasure. No. Treasure. Treasure.
I cannot. It's hard for me to write using the mouse. Okay. Okay, so now please continue this one. So I have an example number 1, measure, and also I already connected the dot. and already match the word.
Rhino.
What number are you already? What is number 2?
Two. Number 2.
Number 2 is?
Rhino.
Mm-hmm. All right, please write the word rhino. Okay. Are you done with the rhino?
Yes.
Okay, and what is number 3? Number 3 is?
Sergeant. Sergeant.
Okay, so please write it in the screen. It's station. Station.
Patient.
Okay. All right. So what number are you already, baby?
3.
What number?
3.
Okay,
3.
number 3 is station.
No. Oh. And Sergeant. Sergeant.
S is station.
Say.
Okay, so what number are you already?
4.
Okay, number 4. What's number 4?
Television.
All right, television.
Shark. Shark.
Number
Shark.
4 is what?
Oh, no. Sorry, teacher.
It's okay. No problem. All right,
Bug.
so hello, Bangak.
Hello,
Oh, you
teacher.
got a phone. Is that your phone?
No.
Oh, it's dead. All right, so Bangak, let's have this one in our next class, okay? So,
Okay.
next, in our next class, what you're going to do is you need to write the correct word here in the blanks. Okay, baby?
Okay.
All right, so for tonight, Barangok, I hope, oh, I cannot see yet. For tonight, I hope you learned, you had fun, and you enjoyed during our class. So, bye-bye for tonight, Bangag.
Hey, wait.
Picture. Okay. Oh, where's the... let's have... Oh, yes, that one.
Oh, wait for me.
Okay. Bye-bye, baby Bangag. See you again next time.
New Year, teacher. Good
Happy
night.
New Year. Good night.